Now in Decatur, where tonight we're hearing from the family and supporters of a Decatur homeowner shot and killed by a former police officer. They're reflecting on the latest details revealed in Officer Mac Marquette's immunity hearing in this case. At the end of this days-long hearing, the judge involved will decide whether Marquette will be put on trial for murder. WAFA 48's Faith Delp begins our team coverage of this high-profile hearing.
I was in court this morning as the prosecutors, defense, and the judge argued whether or not it was lawful for police to be at Steve Perkins' house the night he was killed. Prosecutors argued now former officer Mac Marquette, who shot and killed Perkins, should not be granted immunity because he was helping a tow truck driver during an unlawful repossession. Defense argued the officers were there standing by for the safety of the tow truck driver, who they say had the right to repossess Perkins' truck. The driver called the police after the first repossession that night when Perkins pulled a gun on him. When he returned later with police officers, Perkins came out again and was shot by police. Prosecutors say Marquette and the other officers should not have been there and that they could have done more to de-escalate the situation. One of Perkins' former co-workers sat in on the hearing Wednesday. He says police should have announced their presence sooner.
I still feel the same way I have always felt. It was an ambush. If you would have just knocked or just had your sirens on, his life would still be here.
The defense argues against police announcing their presence because they were just there for the driver and didn't expect the situation to escalate. Steve Perkins' brother, Nick Perkins, says his family will get justice.
My family does look forward to a potential trial. We do want some closure, but we do have confidence in Judge Elliott and the city of Decatur that we'll come out victorious. We will get justice, and hopefully we'll be the family that changes this city.
After a day and a half of Marquette's immunity hearing, Judge Elliott released everyone today at 11 to review Decatur police policy, Alabama law, and evidence in the case. Reporting in Decatur, Faith Delp 48 News on your side.